Alright, this is how you are going to make a stop motion. You're going to need your sets ready. Now, I know you are really excited about animating, but there's some stuff you gotta do first. You have to get all your sets ready. Then you have to have a lot of minifigures and such ready for the animation. Then you're going to need some parts if you need to build anything else. And then to keep your sets down, you're going to want to use gaffer's tape or sticky tack or something. I use gaffer's tape. And you're going to need lighting. And you're going to need a camera. And if you don't have a battery, you're going to need something to give it power. And you're going to need a fire wire to hook it up to the computer. So, with the fire wire, you're going to come to the back of your computer and hook it in. And you're going to plug in your power source. And then you're going to set up your camera and connect the firewire cord to it. In the power source. And then you're going to want to turn it on. Then, once you have it on, you're going to get the set you want to use. Turn on your lighting. And you're going to want to get your camera where you want it to be so you can get ready to start animating. Then you're going to want to get your computer on. then you're going to want to open up stop motion. Wait a minute. This is taking a long time. Okay, here we go. So I'm just going to name it, test. "15 frames per second, create." And then going to want to get unseen. And then just get it where you want to animate. And then you'll get to a minifigure. And start animating. Have fun.